Hello friends, today I will discuss about that apiculture. Here one is that the apiculture it is that the meaning of that apiculture, the keeping the bees on the large scale, it is called that apiculture. Right now the apiculture is a one type of that industry, the honeybee that rearing, growing and get the production of that honey, wax, bee pollen, royal jelly and various types of propolis by the help of apiculture. Here one is that apiculture is that main meaning is that keeping the honeybees on the large scale. The various types of honeybee species which are found in the world, first one is that Apis indica, Apis dorsata, Apis mellifera, Apis. The various types of honeybees which are found in that world, but mainly that in this India we are using that Apis indica honeybee for that apiculture, right? Here one is that in this video lecture we are discussing about that these types of contacts. First one is that what is the meaning of apiculture? We are already discussing that apiculture meaning. Second one is that who produce honey? The answer is that from this video. Okay. Third one is that what are the another items of that apiculture? Fourth one is that how exactly honey production made in this industrial level as well as in naturally. Okay, what are the benefits of honey and wax? So let us start. First of all, the question is that what is the meaning of apiculture? Second one is that who produce honey? What are the another items of apiculture? And how exactly honey production made, and what are the benefits of honey and wax? Okay, so let us start. The first one is that apiculture means that the beekeeping, the maintenance of the bee colonies, and commonly is main made hives by the humans, right? Most such bees are honeybees is the genus of the apis. Here one is that honey producing bees such as a melipona, that are stingless bees which are also used for that apiculture, right? Here one is that the question is that which honeybee is a part of the honey production. इनमें से कौन सी जो बी है जो हनी के प्रोडक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करती है? तो that option is that drone bee, queen bee या worker bee. The answer is that worker bee, because the worker bee having the various types of characteristics. Here one is that we are going to that characteristics of that worker bee. Before that we are focusing on that classification of that worker bee. The various types of worker bee which are found in that hive. First one is that scout bee, soldiers, cleaners and the nursing bee. Here one is that all the types of bees having the different types of functions. Here one is that scout bee, the having the highest vision of that, so that a scout bee they go into that pollen visits and get the pollen juice, and also the part in that हनी प्रोडक्शन. सो दैट वर्कर बी का ही क्लासिफिकेशन है कि स्काउट बी जो है वो बनाती है हनी. ओके, तो राइट आंसर इज दैट स्काउट बी. व्हाट आर दी वर्कर बीज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज द मेन क्वेश्चन. क्यों वर्कर बी ही इसमें पार्ट लेती है? द आंसर इज दैट द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फर्स्ट वन इज दैट हैविंग द लार्ज प्रोबोसिस. Second one is that they having the pollen collection center. Third one is that having the compound eye. Fourth one is that having a large size of that wings. And fifth one is that having the wax glands. Here the picture of that wax glands, the 4 pairs of wax glands which are found in that post abdomen of Apis indica. Okay, here one is that हमने जान लिया कि वर्कर बी ही प्रोडक्शन करती है हनी का, और वो भी स्काउट बी के हिसाब से. हियर वन इज दैट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट एपीकल्चर ओनली प्रोड्यूस हनी एंड वैक्स. द आंसर इज दैट नो. ओके, एपीकल्चर ओनली हनी और वैक्स ही प्रोडक्शन नहीं करता, उसकी दूसरी भी प्रोडक्शन है, उसकी प्रोडक्शन आइटम दूसरी भी है. द प्रोडक्शन आइटम्स आर दैट हनी, वैक्स, बी पोलन, रॉयल जेली एंड प्रोपोइल्स. ओके, तो हमने ये 3 दूसरी चीज़ें भी जान ली कि दूसरी 3 आइटम्स कौन कौन सी है. बी पोलन भी होती है, रॉयल जेली भी होती है और प्रोपोइल्स भी होती है. ओके, हियर वन इज दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हनी प्रोडक्शन अकर. द पीपल ऑलवेज थिंकिंग दैट हनी is a honeybee get the honey from the flower, so why honey making procedure learn. It is a very easy process, but it is not easy. We are thinking that it is a easy process, but it is not easy process. Here one is that we are focusing on that mechanism of that how can make honey production. First one is that, see here this photo of that honey, the sucking the pollen juice from that help of proboscis and then get that pollens. Here one is that second photo is that the anatomy of that honeybee. Here one is that we are focusing on that only honey stomach or stomach. Okay, that are 2 types of stomach which are found in that honeybees. The honey stomach that store that honey, यानी कि पोलन जूस को क्या करता है, वो स्टोर करता है, राइट. देन स्टमक कंटेन्स द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ एंजाइम्स. देन वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ एंजाइम्स होने के कारण क्या होता है, उसमें पोलन जूस कन्वर्ट होते हैं और मॉडिफाइड होते हैं इनटू द हनी में, और हनी बनता है उसके शरीर में. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट ओनली वन वर्कर बी, अगर उसने क्या किया है, शकिंग किया है, पोलन जूस को लेकर वो आई है, तो वो दूसरी जो वर्कर बी है उसे क्या करेगी, उसको अल्टीमेटली उस पर वॉमिटिंग करेगी, और उसके हिसाब से क्या होगा कि दूसरी जो हनी बे है उसके शरीर में भी ये जो पोलन जूस है उसका स्टमक में स्टोरेज होगा, और उसके हिसाब से क्या बनेगा, हनी मिलेगा. तो ऐसी टाइप्स की जो प्रोसेस है जो सीरीज में होती है. और एंड द लास्ट वन दैट इज दैट पोर द हनी इन दैट हनी कॉम्ब. ओके, इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है, तो इसकी ज़रूरत इसलिए है कि पोलन जूस में बहुत सारी ऐसी वाटर कंटेंट भी होते हैं, मॉइस्चर कंटेंट भी होते हैं, और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें भी होती हैं जो हनी के लिए नहीं ज़रूरी. तो उसके हिसाब से उसके शरीर में हनी बनता है, वर्कर बी के शरीर में, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट स्टोरेज इनटू दैट स्टोरेज सेल्स ऑफ दैट हनी कॉम्ब. ओके, दिस इज़ अ होल अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ दैट हनी प्रोडक्शन. ओके, आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. The next question is that what are the benefits of honey and wax. Here one is that honey, we are know that honey it is a it is a source of that nutritions, and also called as a source of that 80% of the sugars, the various types of sugars which can get by that honey. First one is that levulose, dextrose, fructose, various types of sugars which can get by the honey, and the various types of enzymes also. Right now the honey, it is a part in that Ayurveda, and also is a part of that medical science, because that it acts as an antiseptic and antimicrobial and antibacterial. Right now the antiseptic, what is the meaning of that antiseptic? That prevents that growth of microbes, it is called that antiseptics. Okay, here one is that, and the next one, the benefits are that the filtrate the blood plasma also. Okay, second one is that increase the HB level and prevents that anemia. Honey, it is also used for the treatment against the cough, fever, flu, द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ अल्सर्स एंड दैट वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ स्किन, आई और टीथ रिलेटेड डिसीज़ में भी ये क्या करता है, वर्क करता है. याद रखना, कफ, फीवर, फ्लू, अल्सर, स्किन और आई और टीथ के डिसीज़ में भी ये हेल्प करता है. बैक्टीरियल कल्चर और फंगल कल्चर में एज ए सपोर्टिंग मीडिया तरीके उसे यूज़